Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need a correctly formatted 360 image before you upload. Start by confirming it is equirectangular and 2:1 aspect ratio, for example 6000 x 3000. Once done, export as JPEG or PNG and keep the file size reasonable so YouTube accepts it. Next, add spatial metadata with a simple metadata injector so YouTube recognizes the image as 360 degrees. This step matters because without metadata, the player won't enable immersive controls. Now you're ready to sign into YouTube and begin the upload process. You'll upload the image just like a normal video because YouTube treats 360 images as video assets. Sign in, click Create, then upload video and drag your prepared file into the uploader. While it processes, fill in title and description, choose visibility, and pick a thumbnail. Make sure to select any 360 specific settings if prompted, and check advanced settings for license, location, and comment preferences. Processing can take longer for 360 media, so wait for the 360 badge to appear. This confirms spherical playback is enabled. Finish by verifying playback across devices, desktop, mobile, and VR headset if available, because each shows 360 differently. If the viewer doesn't show the 360 controls, stop. The usual fix is re-injecting spatial metadata and re-uploading. This corrects the missing spherical flag. Once live, use YouTube Studio Analytics to confirm view counts and device distribution so you understand how people watch. If performance is poor, re-export at a smaller file size or check internet connection. Then re-upload and retest to confirm fixes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.